I used to cook, walking in grace. Dreams in my heart fit in every step I take. Soft but I'm chosen, bold in His plan. Build it with God, yeah, I know who I am. Flow with a purpose, led by His light, yeah. Pray over visions, favor inside. Welcome to my journey, come grow with me, come grow with me. Faith, femininity, and destiny. Come grow with me.
We're going to be opening up our presents today and wish a Merry Christmas to everyone and God bless them and Merry Christmas. Hi guys, today's Boxing Day and we're gonna open up the presents today. Boxing Day means that it is when you open up presents and have a good time and
That one. Show us again what you got, the first gift.
Mama, remember you got us
A
something
Bugatti.
nice?
A yellow Bugatti.
Come on.
All right, let's open the second
Another
gift.
one.
I think
What is that? What is that?
a Spider-Man helicopter.
Okay, that one.
Like, how do we even fly that helicopter? My
Stuffy?
own stuffy.
Yeah, you've been wanting that. And then the card. You have a card piece.
I'm gonna read it.
That's yours.
Wait, let me read it. Okay, you better read it. How do you even open this thing? Like, it's the same as mine. I got a Lamborghini.
Is that a Lamborghini?
Yeah.
And Jemiah got what?
A
Bugatti.
Bugatti. Time to open up this present. Mommy, can I open mine?
Yeah.
How do I even open this thing?
Okay.
Yeah,
Let's see what they got.
Excited!
it's the same thing.
It's a Spider-Man.
Mama, how do
Helicopter. Woohoo!
This is Spider-Man drone. The other one?
Oh yeah! What is this? Oh, I got a gray dog, I think.
Stuffing.
Yeah, gray dog stuffy. Yay! Got a gray dog.
Cute.
Stuffy. And now,
This are your cards.
yeah.
You gonna read it?
I don't know if I can read it.
Try it.
Mama,
This is it's iPad pen. I got a pen, a new pen for my iPad. It's my first gift.
Apple Pen.
Apple pen. Perfume.
Arabiat. It's a good perfume.
And then this one there for you.
All right.
This is everything I got.
Can we see how the perfume looks?
Yeah.
The perfume.
Oh, you want me to
The
open
bottle.
stop. Stop! I'm trying to get this thing out.
Wait till my don't break it, man.
We need scissors first.
Huh?
I need help.
Give me.
See,
Not too good.
There's scissors behind you.
here.
Hey, bro, how did you
This how it
put
look-
that thing on? Oh, There's a switch under it. Look.
Which way?
move. Ooh,
Eee,
like that.
that looks nice.
Yeah.
It's a pretty bottle.
Yeah.
I'll start with my card. And it says, "Sister, you are loved, chosen, and held by God. He is working all things for your good. Merry Christmas 2025 from your sister."
Right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It even has a charger
And
with it.
then we have this
That's so cool.
perfume.
I think it's perfume oil.
Perfume oil, concentrated perfume oil, yes. And then let's see those big ones.
Yes. That's makeup.
That's makeup. How did you know? Ooh, makeup stick.
So leave it. Oh, you're breaking it now.
Whoa.
Yep.
And brushes and a
It
clean
wants to
holder.
fly.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I needed
Whoa, whoa.
I needed brushes.